Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, December 31, 2020. Today's video is about Fervaal. Fervaal is an opera with a prologue and 3 acts by the French composer Vincent. Fervaal is the son of a Celtic king and is destined to be the last advocate of the old gods. His mission is to save his homeland from invasion and pillage, but in doing so must renounce love. This illustration, by the Swiss painter Carlos Schwabe, relates to the May 10, 1898 premiere of the opera at the Théâtre de l'Opéra Comique in Paris. Here, Fervaal is depicted ascending a mountain while carrying the body of his beloved Guilhen at the end of the opera, as the pagan gods and their worshippers fade out of existence with the dawn of Christianity. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.